Welcome to our state-of-the-art FTO-9 Formulations facility, built to deliver safe, reliable and innovative therapies for patients worldwide. Our facility is designed for one mission: manufacturing complex, high-quality injectables with precision and reliability. This plant successfully supplies sterile commercial products to several regions, including North America, Latin America, Europe, Japan, along with domestic supplies. FTO-9 stands a class apart with the sheer breadth of its sterile filling capability. 4 distinct dosage forms: vials, prefilled syringes and cartridges, 3-piece ophthalmic bottles, and blow-fill seal containers, all operating simultaneously to serve global market needs. Across the lines, the sterile filling is performed under positive pressure isolators with continuous Grade A monitoring. All operations run on electronic batch records within an MES system. Every batch begins in the compounding area, where sterile solutions and suspensions are prepared with meticulous precision. Compounding vessels, 5 to 300 liters, feature automated CIP/SIP for complete cleaning and sterilization. At the heart of FTO-9's vial filling operations is the Bausch and Strobel line. The journey begins with empty vial unloading, feeding vials automatically into the washing system, where multiple stages of water for injection rinses and air blasts remove particulate matter and residues before siliconization prepares the vials for filling. Vials then glide through a HEPA-filtered depyrogenation tunnel, where precisely controlled high temperatures eliminate endotoxins and complete sterilization, all under continuous particle monitoring. Once sterilized, vials enter the aseptic filling zone, enclosed within a positive pressure rigid barrier isolator, where precise volumetric dosing is carried out with 100% inline fill weight verification and automatic rejection of any out-of-specification unit. Stoppering follows immediately within the sterile enclosure, with vision systems confirming correct placement before aluminium seals are torque crimped onto each vial, completing the primary packaging cycle. For products requiring freeze-drying, stoppered vials are transferred directly into the integrated lyophilizer, where automated loading, controlled freeze-drying cycles, and automated unloading maintain sterility and product integrity from fill to finish. The Steriline line delivers unmatched high-throughput lyophilization under strict sterility standards. The Teflon line handles a broad vial size range, making it well suited for products with tighter filling tolerances or smaller batch requirements that still demand the highest sterility standards. FTO-9 operates 2 distinct PFS and cartridge filling platforms, balancing speed with flexibility. The high-speed Bausch and Strobel PFS line delivers rapid, high-precision filling with 100% online fill weight verification, ideal for commercial-scale PFS products. The Colonnar semi-automatic line handles both pre-filled syringes and cartridges, offering the agility needed for niche drug delivery systems within the same rigorous VHP decontaminated isolator environment. The Optima 3-piece filling line is dedicated entirely to sterile ophthalmic products, and its process begins with component feeding, where pre-sterilized LDPE bottles, droppers and caps are automatically loaded and oriented into the line. Components enter a VHP decontaminated positive pressure isolator with continuous NVPC monitoring to maintain Grade A conditions. The sterile ophthalmic product is dosed into bottles with precise volumetric accuracy, and then 100% fill weight verification is performed. Once filled, the dropper tip is inserted and seated securely into the bottle, ensuring closure integrity that impacts both sterility and dosing accuracy. The cap is then applied and locked, completing the three-piece assembly and sealing the product for downstream inspection and packaging. The Romalag blow-fill seal machines process begins with plastic extrusion, where LDPE granules are melted and continuously extruded into a hollow plastic tube called a parison, which forms the raw material for each individual container. The parison is captured within a mold, and compressed sterile air is introduced to blow it into the precise shape of the container, forming the bottle in line immediately before filling. With the container still held in the mold, sterile product is immediately dosed through fill needles positioned within the integrated sterile filling zone, a contained space with continuous NVPC monitoring. The container is then hermetically sealed within the same mold, using heat to fuse the plastic, creating a tamper-evident, leak-proof closure without any mechanical capping step. Brevetti automatic inspection machines run at line speed, scanning each vial and syringe with high-resolution vision systems for particulate matter, cosmetic defects, and fill level variation. Semi-automated and manual inspection stations serve as an additional quality gate, ensuring no non-conforming unit advances to packaging. Quality is embedded in every stage of development at Aurigene. Our quality control systems ensure compliance with regulatory standards while maintaining speed and precision. We prevent deviations through proactive measures and continuous improvement. The QC microbiology laboratories monitor environmental conditions, raw materials, and finished products, ensuring compliance with global pharmacopeal and regulatory expectations. Beyond manufacturing, finished and in-process materials are stored in a temperature-controlled, automated ASRS warehouse, enabling secure, efficient, and fully traceable material movement and inventory management. With SAP material management ensuring 100% traceability from receipt to batch release. Our facilities operate 365 days, 24/7, with sustainability at the core. Our initiatives are recognized by global accredited agencies. At Aurigene, collaboration drives innovation. Our expert team and advanced facilities are here to help you bring groundbreaking therapies to life. Let's work together and accelerate innovation.